Hi, in this episode I would like to share with you what I have learned over the past 3 or 4 months, and this is how to make the self-hosting n8n with Claude Code installed inside. This can be divided into 6 steps. First, this is to choose the hostinger as the virtual private server. And then we install Claude Code inside the server. And because I interact with the server from my local machine, I have my VS Code with the Claude Code extension in my laptop. I also connect it with n8n MCP and n8n skills. And with all these 4 parts, I will be able to construct a workflow from my local laptop and write it directly to the server. And finally, I realized that if I use the Google Sheets as my database, I hit the rate limit, and this made me decide to move to Postgres database. Okay, now I'm going part by part. So this is Hostinger VPS. I pay $9 per month. It's the dashboard. Okay, and I have my Ubuntu installed, and I also have n8n installed in this server, and I have Claude Code installed in this server. And in this case, I ask whether it's with the server I have, I will be able to do another side project, a web board, and the Claude Code run through examine that I have sufficient resource to do it, and this maybe I do it in the future. And here is I have my VS Code. I connect it with n8n MCP, and I connect to n8n skills, and we use API to connect between my local laptop to the Hostinger server. Right, so when I did configure it from step 1 to step 4, I can ask the Claude Code to construct a workflow. In this case, I ask the Claude Code to construct the 2 workflow, one on top and one on the bottom, to interact with, to behave like a live chatbot. The above flow will respond if any user asks or send the message, or send the picture, or send the audio clip. And the bottom workflow is used to push the message. And here is inside the workflow. All this has been constructed by Claude Code. I just provide the command, like for example, please create the workflow that accept the file, accept the text, and I let the Claude Code run it directly into the Hostinger server. It's quite beautiful when you come and look back actually. So here is the example. The bottom workflow is used as the messaging trigger. So I can push the message to anyone who I have the contact. And the above workflow is act like a chatbot, multimodal chatbot. And After I run it, I noticed that I hit the several rate limit because I'm using Google Sheet via Google API as a database, which turned out to have the limit at 60 requests per minute. So at this point, I begin to change the concept and the use of database from the Google Sheet to the Postgres database. And this is what I would like to share with you. And see you next time. Take care. Bye bye.